Do you remember first day in sets Akhanda 2?
The first date was different. I met Bala sir also that day. But it wasn't. He's so cool. He's so very chill.
Have you watched Telugu films in theatre?
Yeah, I've watched many like Bahubali, Mirai, Pushpa, obviously, OG,
How many days you have working for this movie Akhanda 2?
like 55 to 60 days.
How you handle all those things?
Time management.
Yeah,
Very
okay.
simple.
Have any dream role?
In actors, I would say Shah Rukh Khan sir. Telugu, I would say I want to work with Allu Arjun sir.
पुष्पा मूवी में भी बहुत हिट हो गया ना.
It was very nice. Very like
Who is your favorite actor in Tollywood?
first to Bala sir. I watched Bhagwan Kesari, Akhanda 1 obviously.
And what was your experience in this movie working with Balaya sir?
It would be difficult to work with a senior actor, very experienced actor.
One word that describes Balaya sir.
Cool, aura, like that.
Memorable moment with Balaya sir.
Yeah, many. We had so much fun while shooting. ने मेरे लिए कषाय बनवाया इंडी.
Balaya sir's energy in one sentence. What
He's
you want to say?
unstoppable. He's very energetic, like over the bar, like.
హాయ్ హలో నమస్తే వెల్కమ్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్ తెలుగు వన్. దిస్ ఈస్ దివ్యశ్రీ. సో అసలు ఆడియన్స్ అయితే చాలా ఈగర్గా వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఎస్పెషల్లీ సౌత్ ఆడియన్స్ అయితే ఎప్పుడెప్పుడు అఖండ 2ని థియేటర్స్లో చూస్తామా అని చెప్పి చాలా ఈగర్గా వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నారు. సో ఈ పాటికే ట్రైలర్ రిలీజ్ అయింది, టీజర్ రిలీజ్ అయింది. ఎస్పెషల్లీ ట్రైలర్స్ వచ్చేసి 2 ట్రైలర్స్ రిలీజ్ చేశారు. అండ్ ఈ 2 ట్రైలర్స్ వచ్చాక ఆడియన్స్ ఇంకా ఎక్సైటెడ్గా ఉన్నారు. అసలు తెలుగు ఆడియన్స్ అయితే ఆల్రెడీ హిట్ కొట్టేసామన్న కాన్ఫిడెన్స్తో ఉన్నారు కదా. అయితే మీరు ఆల్రెడీ అఖండ పార్ట్ 1 చూసుంటారు. సో పార్ట్ 1 అండ్ పార్ట్ 2లో ఒక మెయిన్ పాయింట్ ఒకటి ఉంది. సింపుల్ లాంగ్వేజ్లో చెప్పాలంటే ఒక బ్రిడ్జ్ లాంటిది. సో పార్ట్ 1లో మనం ఒక చైల్డ్ ఆర్టిస్ట్ని చూసాము. సో పార్ట్ 2 ఈ 2 ట్రైలర్స్ చూసిన వాళ్ళకి ఆ పాప బాగా గుర్తుండి కదా. సో ప్రజెంట్ ఆ పాప కొంచెం పెద్దయి ఇప్పుడు పెద్ద పాప మనతో ఉంది. తనతో మాట్లాడదాము. హర్ నేమ్ ఈజ్ హర్షాలి మల్హోత్రా. మీరు ఆల్రెడీ ట్రైలర్లు చూసుంటారు. నా అని ఒక డైలాగ్ ఉంటుంది. సో ఆ ఒక్క డైలాగ్లోనే చాలా ఇంటెన్స్గా కనబడుతుంది మనకి. అసలు ఈ మూవీకి తనే సోల్ అని కూడా చెప్పొచ్చు. మరి లేట్ చేయకుండా తనతో మాట్లాడి చాలా విషయాలు తెలుసుకుందాం. హాయ్ హాయ్, హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
Hi, I'm good. Thank you. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you so much. So, how old are you?
17. I will be 18 soon.
Oh, okay. I'm also 17. First high. I'm looking like that?
Yeah.
Thank you. ఇప్పుడు కమెంట్స్లో నా ఏజ్ గురించి డిస్కషన్ పెట్టొద్దు. సో యా, వీ హ్యావ్ సీన్ 2 trailers.
Yeah.
And especially you have one dialogue, Nana. It was too intense. And just share what is your experience in Akhanda 2? How was it?
It was a great experience. Like it was very different for me. Telugu mein like different from Bollywood, and language also different. I'm not
Yes,
used
yes.
to it. Language is Telugu is not my mother tongue. But there were people to help me, and they made it easy for me.
Okay.
And yeah.
Yeah. So, do you remember first day in sets Akhanda 2? How was it? First day experience?
On the set,
Yes.
I had a small scene only that day
Okay.
to make me familiar with everyone, and on the set it was new. So Bharpati sir helped me explain the scene. It was nice. The
Okay.
first date was different. I met Bala sir also that day.
Okay.
First time.
First meeting, how was it?
Yeah.
With Balaya sir.
It was amazing. I thought like he would be a little strict, and he's such an experienced actor, such a senior actor. So I thought it would be difficult, but it wasn't. He's so cool. He's so very chill.
Okay.
He made it very easy.
Yeah. So have you seen Akhanda part 1?
Yeah.
How was it?
Very nice. Very amazing. Yeah.
Okay. What kind of films you love?
All type of films. Yeah.
All.
There's no
Okay.
specification.
Because you are 17, mostly people will watch like cartoons and
I watch everything.
everything.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Have you watched Telugu films in theater?
Not in theater, but
Okay.
yeah, I've watched many like Bahubali, Mirai, Pushpa, obviously, OG, and many more
So,
actually.
yeah, you watch in Telugu language or you watch in Hindi or some other
Hindi
language?
dubbed, yeah,
Hindi.
because I won't understand Telugu, right?
Yes.
That's why.
How many days you have working for this movie, Akhanda 2?
Like 55 to 60 days.
55 to 60 days. Oh, so both दिन almost it's 1 month 15 days.
Yeah.
So have you learned any Telugu words?
Very little,
Okay.
but like I know Andarki
Andarki
sorry.
namaskaram.
Andarki Namaskaram.
Yeah.
Avunu, Kadu, Baunara.
Okay.
And I know family names because movie ke shoot ke time I learned that like Nana,
Nana. Yeah.
Nanamma, Atamma, only these little ones.
You know Nanamma word?
Yeah, grandma, right?
Grandma. Yes.
Nanamma.
आप हिंदी में दादी दादी
दादी,
बोलते हैं ना?
दादी, yeah.
हाँ. पप्पा का मम्मा को दादी बोलते हैं.
Papa, yes, Dadi.
Yes. And नानी को मम्मा
Yeah,
को नानी बोलते हैं.
Nani.
हाँ. अब किधर से हो आप?
I'm living in Mumbai, but I was
Mumbai,
born in
अच्छा.
Delhi.
ओह ओके. ये मुंबई में पूरा लाइक इस सिनेमा फील्ड लोग ज़्यादा रहते ना?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now you are doing modeling also, right?
Modeling, no.
No,
Only
you are not
right
doing
now
modeling.
movies.
Only you are doing movies.
I've done many ramp walks after Bajrangi.
After
When I
Bajrangi.
was
Acha, okay. Like from when you are doing, how old are you? First your movie when you did?
I was 6.
6 years old. Acha, okay. Like మీరు 6 yearsలో యూ స్టార్టెడ్ యువర్ యాక్టింగ్ కెరియర్. ఆ ఏజ్లో అందరు పిల్లలంతా ఆడుతూ ఉంటారు. యూ హ్యావ్ మిస్డ్ ఎనీథింగ్ ఇన్ యువర్ చైల్డ్హుడ్?
No, I don't think I've missed anything in my childhood. I enjoyed shooting movies. That is my dream.
Okay.
But in childhood, I don't think I've missed something because I've also enjoyed it.
Acha.
Along with shooting, I've also enjoyed it.
Okay.
Like going to school, making friends, playing, everything I've done.
Okay. Like how you handle, because you are started career in 6 years. You need to handle your studies, you need to handle shooting, and you have to give time for yourself. How you handle all those things?
Time management.
Yeah.
Very simple.
Ah.
During shoots also, I used to study, like
Okay.
having a book with me all the time.
Mm.
I used to study in between in free time.
Okay.
Then
How you will start your day while you're shooting or while you go to college or anything?
in 10th, I used to wake up for school first, like getting ready. Then my school. Then when I come back, a small nap. Then lunch. Then I study 2 hours or 3 hours. Then tuitions. Then the day ends like that. Then in 11th, it changed a little because I don't go to college. I study at home myself only.
Acha.
So like I started Kathak also. Kathak classes. Like it's been 4 years since I started Kathak. I started Kathak in 9th class.
9th class.
Yeah.
Okay.
In 10th also I kept it continued despite having boards exams.
Okay. Have you done any performance for Kathakali?
Like not performance, but I've given exams.
Oh.
4 years exams.
अच्छा
for
अच्छा.
Kathak.
Exams मतलब क्या रहता है उसमें?
Like Akhil, I don't remember the exam name,
Okay.
but we have a syllabus for
Okay.
Kathak, like
What
theoretical also and practical.
So you should write.
Yeah,
Oh.
we also write it.
अच्छा अच्छा. Okay.
And then practical, like we dance in front of an invigilator
अच्छा okay.
who comes from outside and they rate us, like marks.
How many hours it will be exam?
Very small one, like
अच्छा. It will be 1 hour.
one by one, different students go, they perform, they come back. Like it's in the place
It is
where
like
we are learning only.
practicals.
Yeah,
1-on-1.
yeah, like one by one.
1 by 1. Okay. Nice. And while you have shooting, what you will do?
Waking up, getting ready, then reaching the location on the given time.
Okay.
Then we get more ready there, like makeup and hair and all. Then
Okay. Specific you want to do anything, like you have any dream role to act, to work with this director, to work with this hero or heroine? You have particularly anything like that?
Yeah, I want to work with Sanjay Leela Bhansali once. Sanjay Leela Bhansali sir.
Okay.
And in actors, I would say Shah Rukh Khan sir, Amitabh Bachchan sir. From Telugu, I would say I want to work with Allu Arjun sir, Prabhas sir.
ओके पुष्पा मुंबई में भी बहुत हिट हो गया ना.
Yeah,
कैसा लगा वो मूवी आपको?
it was very nice.
हाँ.
Very like vibe.
अच्छा ओके. हु इज योर फेवरेट एक्टर इन टॉलीवुड?
First, to Balya sir. I've watched many films.
Acha,
Like I've
okay.
watched Bhagwan Kesari, Akhanda One, obviously. Veerasimha Reddy. I don't remember the full name.
Yes, it was right. Veerasimha Reddy,
Daku Maharaj.
Daku
Yeah,
Maharaj.
these 4 movies I've watched.
Recently, it got huge hit in
Yeah.
Tollywood. Yeah, and now you're working with him.
Yes.
Yes, and
And
anyone
more-
else?
Allu Arjun sir.
Allu Arjun sir in Pushpa.
Yeah, his role in Pushpa was amazing. It was very different.
Yes, which you have told movies list. These movies are very hit in Tollywood.
Yeah.
And Mumbai में भी बहुत hit हो गया ना पुष्पा.
Yeah, Pushpa and
Daku Maharaj.
yes,
Yeah.
Daku Maharaj.
Mostly you will watch in Hindi only, right?
Yeah, Hindi only
Acha,
because I don't
okay.
understand Telugu, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's
Now you are continuing in Tollywood, so you need to learn Telugu
Yeah, I will.
very soon.
Yeah, soon.
Yeah, nice. And what was your experience in this movie working with Balaya sir?
It was amazing. Like, at first I thought it would be difficult to work with a senior actor, very experienced actor,
Yes.
but he made it very easy. He made me very comfortable with him also. During like some shots when I don't understand, he would quickly explain me. He would give me some idea for expressions and hand gestures. I would do that.
Acha, okay. Or rest of cast and crew with whom you have worked?
It was amazing working with Samyukta ma'am. I have shots with her.
Acha, you have
Yeah.
screen shared with her?
Yeah.
You have scenes
Yeah.
with her?
Yeah.
Nice. And have she give any advices to while you are acting in movie?
Not advice, but she helped me during the shoot a lot, like
Acha,
explaining
okay.
me some scene where I didn't understand too much. That part.
Okay. She'll talk in Telugu or she'll
No,
talk?
for me, she talked in English or Hindi. Or I don't understand Telugu.
Yes. But, no,
I can
I'm not
understand
asking
with
about you. Yeah.
context, but not communicate.
Acha, okay. You understand Telugu? At
With
least-
context, like
acha,
when I know what you're talking about, I can pick up something, but I can't communicate.
Acha, okay. How you choose roles while you're acting in any movie? How you choose? आप सुनते और स्टोरी नहीं तो मम्मा सुनते?
नहीं पहले like first mama listens to the story, hears the narration.
Okay.
Then if she likes it, the story and everything, then it comes to me.
अच्छा.
Then I hear everything, like yeah, the story, you know.
अच्छा, okay. Like अब कुछ कैरेक्टर तो करना पड़ता जब आप हार्ड वर्क कैसे करते? लाइक मेरे को ये सूट होता, नहीं तो मेरे को ये एक्सप्रेशन सूट होता, वैसे कैसे हार्ड वर्क करते आप मूवी के लिए?
While shooting, like in some shot,
एनी शॉट और घर में तो भी प्रैक्टिस कैसे रहता?
I will be honest, मैं acting की इतनी ज़्यादा practice नहीं करती हूँ.
अच्छा,
Because
it will come
during the
naturally.
shoot, yeah, like what's going on, I will listen the whole scenario first. Then it comes naturally.
अच्छा,
Like
okay.
if I'm crying, the expressions come naturally. If I'm happy, they come naturally. It happens like that.
अच्छा, okay, nice. And you don't need any training or anything else. You don't need. You will do
No,
naturally.
I don't think so because naturally I try my best. Yeah, because imagining myself as the character, I think about what she would feel. Then I do it naturally.
Okay, very nice. In very small age, like अब बहुत मेच्योर हो, क्योंकि इतने जो अब 17 है ना?
Yeah.
हाँ, 17 years में इतने मैं तो दद्दू हूँ.
But
जब
अभी तो
मेरे को-
17 ही हो.
नहीं मैं 17 नहीं हूँ. I'm just kidding. I'm not 17.
I know.
Yeah.
Are you like 22, 23?
हाँ, 24. now trending 24 or my name is 25 aa jate. Yeah, nice. It was nice talking with you, and I have few questions, rapid fire. One word that describes Balaya sir.
Cool, aura, like that.
Okay.
But he's also very down to earth.
हाँ.
He's very
अब कुछ
sweet.
कुछ याद है कुछ मेमोरेबल मोमेंट विद बालैया सर?
Yeah, many. We had
Hmm.
so much fun while shooting. Like I had cold once, but he took care of me a lot. Like उन्होंने मेरे लिए कषायम बनवाया, and he like I don't like kashayam, but he forced me to drink it so I would feel better. My nose would feel better like that.
ప్రీ రిలీజ్ ఈవెంట్ అయినప్పుడు చాలామంది ఫ్యాన్స్ వచ్చారు అండ్ బాలయ్య బాలయ్య అని అరుస్తూ ఉంటారు. ఎట్ దట్ మూమెంట్ వాట్ వాజ్ యువర్ ఫీలింగ్? అండ్ మీరు కూడా మూవీలో వన్ ఆఫ్ ద పార్ట్ కాబట్టి పీపుల్ విల్ టేక్ సెల్ఫీ విత్ యూ. ఎట్ దట్ టైమ్ వాట్ యూ ఫెల్ట్?
People come for me for selfies when they recognize me as Munni. But after this movie, they will also come for me, recognizing me as Janani also. Like
నైస్. నౌ వన్స్ యూ విల్ రికగ్నైజ్ లైక్ జనని ఓన్లీ. యా. బాలయ్య సార్స్ ఎనర్జీ ఇన్ వన్ సెంటెన్స్.
he's unstoppable. He's very energetic, like over the bar, like amazing.
Okay. One memory from shooting Akhanda 2 that always make you smile.
There are many memories. He took care of me a lot during the whole shoot.
Okay. One word to describe Salman Khan sir.
He was also very lovable. He cared about me a lot. We had a lot of fun during the shoot of Bajrangi Bhaijaan. That
Have you remember any special thing about him?
Yeah, many memories I made with him. We went for ATV rides. We played table tennis together.
Wow.
A lot of memories during Bajrangi Bhaijaan.
The funniest thing about Salman Khan. Have you remember anything?
Funniest thing.
Funniest thing during
I don't
shoot
know.
or in sets.
It was always fun with him, but I'm not able to remember any very funniest thing about him.
One word for Kareena Kapoor vibe on set.
She was also very great with me. But we had a little like less time together. But in that part only, she was very sweet with me. Like
Okay.
very
Nice. One moment with Kareena Kapoor you will never forget.
never forget. When I first met her, like Mama tells me, when I first met her, like face to face, she said, "Arey, ye to meri bachpan jaisi hai." Like I look like her
Okay,
child
okay.
version, like from her small version.
Okay,
That.
okay, nice.
Yeah.
The most supportive co-star you had
Balaya sir, I would say. Like
and the funniest co-star.
funniest
Again Balaya
co-star.
sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
again Balaya sir.
Yes.
We had a lot of fun.
Ah,
Yes. We cracked jokes together. We had a lot of fun. Yes.
okay, nice. And the most serious co-star.
I don't think so.
No one is there?
No, I don't think so.
अच्छा. बोयपाटी सर serious रहता और नहीं तो funny
No,
guy.
he was also sweet, very loving.
Okay,
Like
nice.
yes.
Who gives you the best advice?
Mama and Papa तो are always there for advice.
अच्छा, okay. नहीं तो shoot में?
Shoot में like you are asking about someone giving me advice for
Advice,
like
While
acting,
you are
acting. Or
नहीं तो
in
studies
general?
में? हाँ, in general.
Salman sir once gave me an advice that
Okay.
if you are unwell, don't let it show on your face.
Oh, nice.
You should give it your all always during shoot.
Who gives you the best hugs while shooting?
Best hugs while shooting.
Hmm.
Boyapati sir.
Boyapati sir.
Yes, Boyapati
Appreciation.
sir.
Achha,
Yes.
okay. Nice. And you want to add anything about Boyapati sir?
He was very loving and very caring throughout the whole shoot. He used to explain me the scenes very nicely. I used to ask him many questions like, what is this? Kya ho raha hai? And all, everything.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And nice meeting you. We'll see you on theaters in December 5th. You want to say anything about the movie to audience?
I hope you love my performance, and I hope you will love me as Janani as you love me as Munni also.
Okay. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
Thank you.